Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We were talking about fractions. We have already done exercise 7.1 and now we will be doing with exercise 7.2. So when we talk about exercise 7.2, it is number line, mixed fraction and improper fractions. Okay. So when we talk about number line, representing fraction on a number line. We have already seen number line when we were doing integers. We have done whole numbers, we have done natural numbers on number line. So now we will be doing fractions. So when we do fractions on the number line, first I will start with question B. You see 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. So what I will do? I will draw a number line. Okay. Of course, use a scale while drawing a number line. And after each 1 centimeter difference, you will simply make cuts. How many cuts you will make? You will make 9 cuts. So you will make 9 cuts, 9 equal cuts. And then how will you mark it? You will mark it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Once you have marked them, you will again put divided by 8 in all. By 8. By 8. By 8. Okay. So all is by 8. Though I have not used a scale here, it is very important to use a scale while drawing a number line. So now 1 by 8, it is here, you can mark it. 2 by 8, you can mark it. 3 by 8, you can mark it. And 7 by 8, you can mark it. So it is easy for you to draw a number line. You need not draw 0 to 1 and make 8 divisions. Rather, you make 8 divisions, number them and divide by 8. So 0 by 8 is nothing but 0. The 0 by 8 is nothing but equal to 0. And 8 by 8 is nothing but equal to 1. Okay. So 0 and 1 is divided into 8 equal parts. And these are the fractions. Now, let us come to the next question. Our next question that I will be solving is C. So, here you see everyone's denominator is 5. But if you look at the numerator, see, I have a 8 which is more than 5. So, again I will make 8 plus 1, 9 divisions. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I will mark it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And everyone's denominator is 5. So I will write 5. By 5. Okay. Now, see, I have got the fractions 2 by 5. Then I have got 3 by 5. I have got 8 by 5. And I have got 4 by 5. So this is equal to 0. Okay, this is equal to 0. And 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Okay, 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So this is the number line. So we have done with B, we are done with C. Next we will do with A. So A, you see, all the fractions do not have the same denominator. So 1 by 2. Now if I want to convert 1 by 2, something with denominator 4, you see 2 into 2 is 4. So you will multiply up also with 2. So it is 2 by 4. So this 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 4. So I can draw a number line. Make 5. I will draw 5 points. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will do by 4. Okay. By 4. So you see I have 2 by 4. 1 by 2 is 2 by 4, I have seen here. So this, below this I can write it is 1 by 2. Fine. I have 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. See? So this is number line. Next we will do mixed fraction. See question number 2. Question number 2 says express the following as mixed fraction. To express the following as mixed fraction, I said the one on the top is called the numerator and the one at the bottom is called the denominator. Okay, so say this question 20 by 3. What do I do? I will divide 20 by 3. So I have 6 3s are 18. If I minus it, it is 2. So 6 whole 2 by 3. So 20 by 3 is what? 6 whole 2 by 3. That is 6 2 by 3. Next question 11 by 5. So 11 by 5 is what? 11 by 5 if I do, it is 5. 11, 5 2s are 10, 1 remainder. So this is equal to 2, 1 by 5. Okay. See, it is 17 by 7. 7, 17. What do you have? 7 2s are 14. Remainder 3. So this is equal to 2 whole remainder by divisor. 2 3 by 7. Next question, we have 28 by 5. So 28 by 5, what it will be? 5 divide 28 by 5. 5 5s are 25. If you minus, you will get 3. So it is 5 whole, the quotient 5 whole, the remainder by divisor. Okay. Then E, we have 19 by 6. 6, 19, 6 3s are 18. If you minus 1, so it is 3 whole 1 by 6. F, 35 by 9. Now you can directly do it. It's not mandatory you show this division steps. 3s are 27. 27, 8 by 9. 3, 8 by 9. You can even directly do it. Not a problem. Next, coming to the third question. See, express the following in this improper as improper fractions. So whenever the numerator is higher and denominator is smaller, that is improper fractions. Like head is bigger and body is smaller. So it is improper, not something. It's not something proper. Head is small, body is big. It is proper. But if the head becomes big and the body becomes small, something like this is the head, okay, and this is the body. So this is an improper child. Fine. Whereas the proper thing is, if this is the body and this is the hands, legs, okay, head is small, body is big, it is proper. This is proper. Whereas this is improper. So there should be improper means I have to cut out some and keep the rest. Fine. So like on your body, if you have some extension, so they will cut it out. Fine. So that is how improper. And mixed fraction is you have a whole number and a fraction. Okay, a whole number and a fraction. That is mixed fraction. So now when I convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions, what do I do? 7 3 by 4. So 7 into the denominator 4 plus the numerator 3 divided by 4. So 7 4s are 28 plus 3 by 4. So that is equal to 31 by 4. Okay. Next question. Let us do B. 5 6 by 7. So 5 into 7 plus 6 by 7. So 35 plus 6 by 7. So it is 41 by 7. C, 2 5 by 6. So 2 into 6 plus numerator 5 divided by the denominator 6. 6 to the 12 plus 5 by 6, that is 17 by 6. Okay, this is how you solve it. And obviously in this case also you can do it without showing the steps if you are so very confident. How it will be? D, 10 5s are 50 plus 3, 53 by, this is 53 by 5. 9 7s are 63 plus 6, 66 by 7. 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 4, 76 by 9. So that is it in exercise 7.2. Next we will do with 7.3. Thank you.